Hello, I need to stay over here. Hello YouTube. Today we're talking about the do's and the don'ts of special effects makeup. I mean, just the ones I know. There's a lot of others, but I know a couple. And we're going to talk about that. And while we're doing that, I'm also going to do a makeup look. So this is basically like a 2-for-1 video. You're welcome. So these are just like general do's and don'ts, like not even like, just like, I guess about being a makeup artist. The first do, or the first don't, is don't leave makeup on your stuff because it'll get crusty like mine. Kidding, I'm pretty good about cleaning stuff, but sometimes I'm not. Another don't is if you're working with 3rd degree, don't mix parts A and B in the bottle. What I mean by that is, here's part B. I want to put it on, oh my gosh, you can see everything with that. I want to put it on this guy, okay? My little mixing palette. Then I'm going to get part A. I can't open it with one hand. Okay. Get part A, and I'm going to get a different part of the spatula that I didn't use with part B. I think it's this side. Do keep track of it. Okay, anyways, you're going to get the same amount. So I have like a little glob, and so I'm going to get the same amount glob of, it's probably good. Oh god, it just fell. Get the same glob amounts and mix them together. Do be clean. Don't. I feel like I'm doing this in the worst way possible. Okay, I'm sorry. I just cracked myself up. I don't know what I'm doing with this stuff. Where should I make a cut? I was gonna do a forehead one, but I literally do that all the time. Let's do a lip one. Oh my gosh, let's just stick it on there. What was I saying? Oh yeah, do be clean, you know. Don't use bad hygiene. Because, especially if you're doing other people's makeup, you can spread diseases. You do not want to be sued. Use clean utensils. Wash your hands. You know, stuff like that. Hygiene's important. Where's my mirror? That's what I need. Oh, here it is. Oh. So what I did was I plopped down the silicone, and now I'm adding the cut. Cool. This is important, blend it out. We don't want to see where it starts and stops. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Did I say that already? This cut is literally turning out like poop, but like I said, don't be afraid to make mistakes. I'm making one right now, but the best way to fix mistakes is through fake blood. What's another do and don't? Don't add too much fake blood. People do that all the time. We want to see your work, not a gallon of fake blood. Add a realistic amount of blood, but don't add too much. That's something that new artists do a lot. Okay, we're waiting for the silicone to dry or harden. It takes like 5 minutes. It hasn't been 5 minutes yet. Still kind of wet, but I'm really impatient. So don't be impatient. Do wait the amount of time you're supposed to. Do not put powder on it, like I'm doing, when it's not ready yet, because that will ruin your shape. I really want to do it. Oh wait. Let's keep adding powder. Now we're gonna add paint. Don't be afraid to invest in some good paints. I feel like good paints, literally, like when I started using Skin Illustrator palettes, and there's cheaper good paints out there too. Like my work went from like here to here. Ready? Don't pick up stuff with your feet. That's weird. But do invest in good paints, like I was saying. It will up your quality. If you like special effects makeup and it's becoming a very fun hobby, get some paints. Aged blood, my favorite. If you watch my other videos, you know how much I love aged blood. I'm just gonna stick that everywhere. La 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 la. I don't know why I went that crazy. I did not mean to. I just got excited. But do keep watching my videos. Haha, see what I did there? This is kind of looking cool. Also, can you see where my tan went wrong? So I'm adding that blood. Ooh, girl. Ouch! This wound isn't super like deep, so we're gonna only add a little bit of black. This isn't a super like deep cut. It's just a little ouchie, so no need to make it look super deep and get super realistic with that. So we're just gonna add a little bit of black where the deeper parts would be, which we discussed before in a previous video. I do not know what this video is becoming. I'm sorry. This was supposed to be do's and don'ts, but then I realized I didn't know anything. Less bloody equals more sexy. Unless you like creepy stuff, then I guess you like more blood. I guess. So now we're gonna add scab blood. I love scab blood. Scab blood's awesome. It's pretty cool. This is by Ben9. We're gonna add it into the depths of the wound. Kind of where we put the black, which I wasn't really paying attention, so I don't know where I put the black. So I'll have to get up close and personal with this one. Yeah, I guess we'll hit some right here. Ooh. And also, since this wound isn't super deep, we're not gonna get crazy with the scab blood. Just put just a little bit, just to add some texture. Literally, oh my god, my neck tan's so bad. Whatever, I'm in quarantine, no one's gonna see, except you. Okay. So literally, this is the wound. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kind of just rambled. I'm sorry. If you got this far, thank you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what you want to see. Literally anything. I got you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.